Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus a Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to share with you a small Louis Vuitton unboxing, something that I picked up just last week, I think, when I was visiting the store. And I also want to share with you just a few little gifts that I have received. One I did receive back in September and I meant to vlog about it and I never did. And then the other one I received in the beginning of the month for my birthday also. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. If you're new, welcome. My name is Isabel. And if you like the video, I hope that you click the subscribe button and you hit that notification bell. All right, let's just go ahead and get started. Here is the box. I did have an LV bag that I've already put away. So here it is, and you may be guessing by the shape what it could be. So it's a drawer box, and inside is another beautiful, beautiful box. There is, let me get it out. It's not easy to get this out of here. All right, so inside the box is a very, very thick LV booklet. My goodness, there is a lot to read here. So we have a very, very thick booklet. And then we have this stunning, stunning case. It is blue. It says Louis Vuitton in the front. And look at the detail on that. That is so, so pretty. To reveal. Yep. Inside is a pair of sunglasses. Now let me just show you the interior of the box. Look at that. It's really, really beautiful. And these are my first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And these are the LV Drive sunglasses, and this is what they look like. So they have an LV insert right here in the middle of the two lenses. There you go. And it has a beautiful, beautiful engraved nano monogram on the sides right here. I'm hoping that you can see this. I'll try and see if this will be any help. See if it'll focus. So it's got the beautiful engraving on the side. It has the LV at the end right there. And it's got the LV logo right here on the lens. It's very hard to see. I don't know if you got, there it is right there. Okay. And so, yeah, so they're called the LV Drive sunglasses, and they come in the gold and the silver. Now, my receipt says these are the silver, but I personally think they're the gold. This is what they look like on me, and I like them because they're oversized for my face. I have a smaller face, and I have a lot of issues trying to get sunglasses or glasses, but this is what they look like. So I'm excited. They are not polarized. I did ask, and apparently just LV does not make polarized sunglasses anymore, which is sad. But yeah, that's what they look like. They are, I like them. What do you think? So yeah, these are my new sunglasses that I wanted to share with you. That's what they look like from the side. Again, this is the inside. Yep. And these are available on the website. Again, gold and silver. and they are very, very pretty in my opinion. They are, I do love the ones that say LV all over the lenses. These do not, but I've always found them to be pretty large, even larger than these on my face. So yeah, these are my new Louis Vuitton sunglasses. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like them. What's your opinion? So happy with these. I'm going to start. I have not worn these yet. I was waiting to share them with you, so I will start using them tomorrow on my way to work. So now let me share something that I received back in September of 2019. And you're like, oh my goodness, Isabel. So back in September 2019, there was a runway show for the Cruise 2020 collection at the local store where I shop in South Florida, in Aventura. So I did attend the runway show, and this is the commemorative photo that they gave me. And I had done a little vlog that I was going to share with you, but in the end I, had issues with the computer and all that, so I never shared it. And after the show, my client advisor, SA, whatever you want to call them, he sent me this. And these, it's just little details. And this is really one of the many reasons why I love the brand. But this is what he sent me, because I do love my luxury handbags and shoes and all of that, but I'm also all about the small details, and I like the little things. So in here, I received this package back, the end of September. It came via FedEx, and I was like, I didn't order anything. What is it? So inside the box is this. And you see these are luggage tags. They are paper luggage tags, and they signify really the Cruise 2020. And I'll insert some pictures of the runway show that I saw so that you can see. It was about travel. So these two, and then inside was a beautiful card that he hand wrote, and then this envelope also. And inside this envelope are these fun stickers. So this one here, this one right here, this one, and this one. So I love this. This is like invaluable to me. This is like things that I just love. I love to have this. And so I, was so happy that he thought of sending it to me. So I just wanted to share it with you. Just one of the many reasons why I am very loyal to the brand, and I'm very loyal to the store that I shop at. And so I don't purchase Louis Vuitton from Nordstrom or Saks because I have a really good relationship with the store. Okay, and last but not least, I wanted to share with you something that I was also gifted by Louis Vuitton at the store where I purchased for my birthday. Now, our director had already given me a beautiful flower, an extra flower, because I had purchased, I think, 6, and so she gave me a 7th. So beautiful. Thank you so much. And I'll link that video up here. But then I returned another day after my birthday, and they had something else for me, and I was so very excited. And it's this beautiful poster, which I am going to go ahead and have framed, but I wanted to show it to you. It is a beautiful poster, and it is it was part of the Objects Nomads collection that was for sale. And this one was illustrated by Polly Brotherwood and printed in France. And what it is these posters depict something that inspired the artist, the different artists that had collaborated with Louis Vuitton for their Object Nomad collection. So in this case, this here is called The Ribbon Dance by Andre Fu. Andre Fu is an architect and a designer, and he collaborated with Louis Vuitton for the Object Nomads collection. And so he designed some beautiful furniture that was inspired by the ribbon dance. So let me, first of all, so that you can kind of get the idea, let me show you the furniture or one of the pieces that he designed. And I'll show it to you. It's right here on my laptop. And this is what it looks like right there. That's gorgeous, gorgeous furniture. And so it's called The Ribbon Dance by Andre Fu. And it's just beautiful. So that's one of the pieces of furniture, I guess, that he designed. And so this is the poster. Let me just kind of, I don't want to take everything off because I don't want it to get, so this is what it looks like. It's really, really, really beautiful. I will show it to you guys once I get it framed. I know you're not really seeing the beautiful colors because it does have some sheer paper on it. But I was I was floored, honestly. I was so happy. I never expected to get anything else. And this is something that I would have never bought for myself. I didn't even know that they were selling it. And I was just, wow. I mean, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. And thank you so much to LV at Aventura. I really, really appreciate it. So I just wanted to share with you guys because it's really a beautiful, beautiful gesture, a beautiful print, and something that I otherwise wouldn't have bought for myself. But I do love the fashion house, and I love everything and anything associated with it. So I'm so excited to have received this as a gift. I wanted to share it with you, and once I get it framed, I'll show you again. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.